Struggling with AWS Lambda cold starts slowing down APIs? Fighting with CloudWatch logs to debug distributed systems? You're not alone. The AWS Serverless-pack gives you Lambda function optimization techniques, API gateway request validation with custom authorizers, DynamoDB auto-scaling configurations, and step functions state machine debugging, all battle tested for production workloads. Whether you're a cloud developer juggling CI CD pipelines, a DevOps engineer wrestling with cost management, or a solutions architect designing microservices, this is your toolkit. Spoiler: the only server you'll miss is the one that auto-scales itself. Here's what's inside the AWS Serverless Pack. Build ultra-fast Lambda functions with Webpack bundling strategies. Configure API gateway with mutual TLS and usage plans. Integrate DynamoDB with global secondary indexes for multi-region apps. Automate workflows using step functions with callback patterns. Master SQS dead letter queues for failed event handling. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't theory, it's your next production deployment pre-optimized. Installing the AWS Serverless Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add AWS Serverless-pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: Lambda optimization scripts, API gateway swagger definitions, DynamoDB throughput calculators, and step functions visualizer tools. Your next Claude Code session picks up the AWS SDK patterns automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to configure VPCs for Lambda and secure S3 event triggers. No PhD in AWS white papers required. Just type deploy and watch the magic happen.